Today we're making chili.
First, you take off the stems and deseed the 2 jalapenos.
We stack them up and do a rough chop.
Set it aside.
You do the same with the poblano peppers. Next, 2 shallots, peeled and diced. A little oil in a sauté pan. We use the best, Spanish Lakes olive oil.
We add 1 pound of beef. Next, we add 1 pound of pork.
Break it up into small pieces.
Cook until brown and then add your peppers.
2 cloves of garlic, chopped fine.
Add your shallots and mix thoroughly.
You want to drain the excess oil.
Put your ingredients into a crock pot or a pot on the stove. We prefer the slow cooking of the crock pot to bring out the flavors.
2 to 3 tablespoons of chili powder. You can do this to taste.
1 teaspoon of salt.
1 teaspoon of pepper.
1 teaspoon of ground cumin.
1 small can of roasted green chilies.
1 16-ounce can of kidney beans.
And a 16-ounce can of white beans. 28 ounces of diced tomatoes.
Mix it thoroughly.
Put on the lid and set your timer for slow and low.
5 hours later,
Cut up some green onions for garnish.
we also like corn and cilantro.
I like to use mine for chili dog.